The Congress party over the last few days have been trying to pose as though they are the greatest champions of the constitution and the greatest Ambedkarites ever. Nothing can be farther from truth than this assertion. This newspaper clipping from the 27th of April 1948 covers Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's speech that he had made at the annual conference of the UP Scheduled Caste Federations in Lucknow. The only message, the central import of the message of Ambedkar in 1948 to the scheduled castes in UP and the rest of the country was this. He said, joining Congress will be suicidal. This was Baba Saheb Ambedkar's message to the Dalits of the country. The article very clearly states what Baba Saheb Ambedkar had spoken. He said Congress was no friend of the scheduled castes and the scheduled caste would only commit suicide by merging themselves in that organization. Declared Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, India's law minister. This even while he was serving as the law minister under Nehru, addressing the annual conference of the UP scheduled castes. When this is the historical reality of how the Congress had treated Ambedkar and the historical reality of how Ambedkar felt about the Congress, this whole drama, this whole positioning as though they are the greatest Ambedkarites must be condemned. Baba Saheb Ambedkar faced the greatest humiliation of his political life, not once but thrice, because of the conspiracy of the Congress party and Pandit Nehru. Even at the time of his death, the Congress party did not give him the modicum of respect that the constitution maker deserved. Aircraft was not arranged for taking his mortal remains and giving it the kind of respect it needed. A smarak was not built in Delhi. And those who celebrated the defeat of Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Savitri Ambedkar in her autobiography, in Reminiscences of My Life with Ambedkar, writes pages together of how Congress and the communists at the instruction of Nehru worked overtime in 2 elections to defeat him. So this party that denied him entry into parliament, celebrated his electoral defeat, dishonored his legacy even at the time of his death, and did not even give him Bharat Ratna while they were busy giving themselves Bharat Ratna, is today claiming to be Ambedkarites. There cannot be bigger hypocrisy than this. The people of the country will for always remember this message of Baba Saheb Ambedkar towards the Congress party.